My better than McDonald's Filet-O-Fish. We're going to be using some beer batted Alaskan wild caught pollock here, made by Vanderkamp. Some cheddar cheese. I might switch that into American later. But we're going to put this on some hot dog buns because I'm going to use two of these babies. And I like for my fish to hang off the bun. Even with my burgers, any sandwich, I like for the meat to stick out. I hate for my bun or bread to be longer than my meat. I mean, come on, y'all. You see what I'm saying here? Check it out if I can balance them right, but they gonna be longer than the bun. They gonna stick out with perfection. Wait till this is done. We're gonna run on over here to the air fryer. We're gonna cook these at 400 for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side. And folks, it's that simple. This is all McDonald's do, and I give you a sample, a preview of how I put this together. And this is all it is to it. I mean, it is that simple. Come on, y'all. You got to try this fish for yourself. McDonald's might get mad at you. What's up? What is going on? I'll tell y'all about this fish sandwich right here. This is better than McDonald's, baby. Told y'all I was going to put it on this hot dog bun, right? Because it only makes sense because it's longer fish, right? Not only that, we want the fish to be hanging outside of our bun, not all on the inside. Now went on and changed from cheddar to some American because McDonald's use American. And they only use half a slice. We're going to use the whole slice. We're going to go ahead and doctor that up like that right there. We're going to put the other one on sideways like that so we can have a nice little, I don't want them to fall on there, so everything is covered. Now, this right here is my own tartar sauce. I'll leave a link in the description to this right here. But let's go ahead and slather some of that on here. I like all my tartar sauce here. I did kind of make mine spicy. I might have told y'all, but I didn't show y'all in a video about when I made this here. But my tartar sauce is spicy, y'all. All right now. Okay. We got some nice little fresh tots over here. Oh, let me get my little drink ready right here too. Well, hold on. Oh well, that'd be all right. I get those later, but let's get that drink ready.